So you have opened your trading account, and now you are ready to trade. What is next? Listen up. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install the trading platform MetaTrader4 to use with GoDoAbbado.com. Welcome to my channel. I am the Bullpen Trader. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials and videos on how to become a successful trader. First thing you need to do is go to GoDoAbbado.com. Then navigate to the top right and click the Login button. Fill in your information from when you first created your account with your trading account number and password, and then click the Login button. Then go to the Platforms tab on the left side of the menu. Choose which platform you want to install. For this video, I will be showing you MetaTrader4 for PC. Once the file is downloaded, open the install file and continue with the installation. When the setup is complete, it will open up MT4 with GoDoAbbado. From the pop-up, select GoDo Live and click Next and fill in your trading account information once again. When you click Finish, it will now be ready for you to begin trading. In the next video, I will be showing you how to set up your trading pairs list, how to enter your trades, and more. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. If you have learned something, make sure to like this video and comment as well. See you next time.